a great choice today with the 2019 Chevrolet Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, compass, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.